Hello, good morning. Me fixing everything, and because there is always something to be fixed, subscribe to the channel. It will make me very happy, and it might be helpful to fix everything. Today I want to show you how to take this front plate on a air conditioning compressor off the compressor, so we can service the bearing, change the bearing or change the grease, whatever. Now it's gonna be very helpful if it's not falling off. I'll show you the tool. Now there is a nut here that you need to remove, 13mm nut, and this is the tool. The front part is a oil sump plug M22 by 1.5 thread, and the rear part is just a big nut, M12 nut. So what I'm gonna do now, I'll just clean up this thread here with some brake clean. As you can see, I tried different methods yesterday. I don't have time to order the real tool, so I just made one, and that's why I'm showing you the video, so you can take inspiration from it and make one yourself. Let's see. On one side is 19mm spanner, the big bolt. So let's screw it on. We need to hold just so it doesn't move. It's gonna be a bit tricky. It's okay, I can hold it by hand. And now, if I start turning, we might need we'll need another spanner, so you can hold it on this side. Yeah, it's coming out. Nice little tool. Really like it. Now there is a washer that we need to take out as well, like a safety washer. I'll keep that tool safe. The next part is easy. Let's spray some WD-40 for a second. Let's see. Okay. And now, are we going to be able to pull it out by hand? Or we need to use the... Yeah, we'll need to use the press. You can hear the bearing. I got a big bearing puller, and I think we can even manage to pull it out by hand. Okay, there we go. Well, this is it. To assemble everything back together, you just need to press it back in or hammer it back in. That's the coil if you need to do something to it. I hope the video is being helpful to you. Like and subscribe if it is. Leave me a comment. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.